Hi everyone, welcome back to Max English. I'm Emma, your English teacher.
And I'm Max, the student. I'm so excited about today's episode, Emma. How are you doing?
I'm doing great, Max. Thank you for asking. Today we have a very fun and practical topic. We are going to talk about planning a weekend trip.
Oh, I love trips. But honestly, Emma, I often find it hard to explain my travel plans in English. I get confused with the words.
Don't worry, Max. That's exactly why we are here. By the end of this 8-minute lesson, you and our listeners will know exactly how to book a hotel, choose a destination, and talk about packing. So, Max, imagine it's Friday morning. You want to go somewhere this weekend. What is the first thing you need to decide?
I need to decide where to go. But how do I say that naturally?
Good question. You can say, I'm looking for a quick getaway, or I want to take a short trip. Repeat after me, Max. A quick getaway.
A quick getaway. I like that. It sounds very native. So, Emma, I want a quick getaway to the beach.
Nice choice. Now, if you are not sure about the beach, you could also say, I'm torn between the beach and the mountains.
I'm torn between. Does that mean I am broken?
No, Max. I'm torn between means you have two choices and you cannot decide which one is better. It's a very common English idiom.
Okay, I understand. I'm torn between Florida and California, but I think I'll pick Florida. It's closer.
Great. Now that we have the destination, we need a place to stay. Max, what do you call a place where you stay during a trip?
A hotel or maybe a house?
Yes, those are correct, but we often use the word accommodations. It's a big word, but it covers hotels, hostels, or apartments.
Accommodations. That's a bit hard to pronounce. Accommodations.
You got it. Now imagine you are calling a hotel. How do you start the conversation?
Maybe I want a room?
That's a bit too direct. A more polite way is, Hi, I'd like to book a room for 2 nights, or I'd like to make a reservation.
I'd like to make a reservation. Okay. And what if I want to know the price?
You can ask, what is the nightly rate? Or is breakfast included?
Is breakfast included? This is very important for me, Emma. I love hotel breakfasts.
Me too, Max. Also, remember to ask about the check-in time. You don't want to arrive and find your room isn't ready. Now, Max, the hotel is booked. What's next?
Packing. I always forget something.
To talk about packing, we use the phrase essentials. Things like your passport, toothbrush, and chargers are essentials.
I always forget my charger. I should make a list of essentials. Emma, what about the car?
If you are driving, you are taking a road trip. If you are going by plane, you are taking a flight.
I'm going on a road trip. I need to fill up the tank with gas, right?
Perfect. Fill up the tank is exactly what a native speaker would say. You're doing great, Max.
Thanks, Emma. I'm feeling more confident already. But I have one more question. How do I say I'm very excited?
Instead of just saying, I am excited, you can say, I'm really looking forward to it. It shows that you're happy about something in the future. We've covered a lot today, Max. Let's do a quick review for our listeners. A quick getaway. A short trip. I'm torn between. Having trouble choosing between two things. Make a reservation. Booking a room or table. Essentials. Things you must carry. Looking forward to it. Being excited about the future.
Wow, those are very useful. I'm going to use them this weekend.
And for our listeners, here is your homework. In the comments, tell us where you want to go for your next quick getaway. Use at least one new word we learned today.
I'll be reading the comments too. Thank you for the lesson, Emma.
You're welcome, Max. And thank you all for listening to Max English. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear and easy English lessons.
See you next time.
Goodbye.